In this video, we'll show you what to do if lock screen notifications aren't working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Step 1. Check lock screen notification settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Tap on Lock Screen Notifications. In this menu, make sure you select Cards. If icons or dots are selected, you'll only see a small icon or dot in the top left corner. Scroll down and ensure that Show Content is enabled. You can also tap the gear icon here to view and customize notification settings for individual apps. Step 2. Check app-specific notification settings. If you're not receiving notifications from a specific app, long press the app icon. Tap the info icon. Tap on Notifications. Make sure lock screen notifications are enabled. Show Content on lock screen is turned on. Step 3. Adjust battery settings. Go back to Settings and scroll down to Battery. In the Battery menu, select either Optimized or Unrestricted for the app. This ensures the app can run in the background and show notifications properly. Once you've followed these steps, your lock screen notifications should start working again.